what do I have today? I have this. So this is a monofilament topper which we make customized in 7 into 7 inches for people who have some specific issues. There are many people out there who have balding issues, thinning issues due to several health issues. It could be alopecia, it could be anything. So for those people, the standard lace sizes that we make usually don't go because there are certain areas which those toppers cannot cover, but this one can definitely cover. People who have thinning or balding hair, maybe on the back side, on this side or this side, can be covered with this one. This topper then covers entire crown area, this area above the ears. So basically it gives you a full hair look, full heavy dense look. This particular hair topper has its own advantages because it works as a wig but doesn't feel like a wig. So this gives you a dense look. A B, it is very lightweight. I'll just wear this topper for you and show you how it looks. Although my hair is a bit wavy and have color on the edges, and this one is totally straight and natural black in color, but let's see how it looks and how well it merges with my hair and my scalp. So let's see. So I'm just combing it a little bit. I have already opened the hair clips and I have pulled out a middle partition. So I'm just going to wear it. I have already combed my hair, so I'm going to wear it now. So this is the partition. I think I have put on all the clips. So I have worn it. The partition and the skin of the topper looks like this, and I think it's quite seamless. I guess you can identify my own hair and the topper hair because they are silky straight and mine are wavy, but it really gives a very nice look. So I'm sure you must have got the idea that it's covering this side, this side, this side also. And this is a good length topper, so anybody can just take out some strands and cut it like this for fringes. So once you get to know how to wear it, you can style it, you can wear the ponytail, you can make a bun. It's very easy and it looks super natural. Best part is these toppers have a very good life. If you take care of them nicely, you keep them moisturized, you do well conditioning, you put serum on this will last for good 2 to 3 years. So this is 100% human hair and this is Remy hair. So people ask me what is Remy hair. So Remy hair is the hair product or the hair bundle in which the cuticles run in one side. So you don't get the haphazard hair. So you get the hair aligned in one direction as if they are coming from the scalp naturally. They fall like natural hair. And this is Indian hair. This is not Chinese hair. This is not Vietnamese hair. So it's the best quality of hair that we use. So there are many health conditions in which women lose hair. So we take their pictures and then customize the product for them so that it can address the problem and suit their face. You can message us for your hair queries and product query. We are available on Instagram message, on Facebook message. We have a chat option on our website and definitely on WhatsApp. Also we do all the colors, so you can give us any shade of color which you want. We can do it for you. Some shades are totally free and complimentary. For others we charge a very nominal amount for coloring the hair topper or anything. Besides from topper, we have everything. Since we are manufacturers, we can customize or make anything for you. So just get back to us.